Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to write a code in C++ language in Visual Studio to add two numbers which a user gives us. So let us open the Visual Studio IDE VS Code, and first of all we have to create a new file for writing the code in C++ language. So this is YT programs is a file in folder in my PC. So here we have to create a new file, and this is the option for creating a new file. Click on it and write the name of your program. For convenience, let's suppose add two numbers, and the extension for C++ in VS Code is .cpp. And now this file has been created, which is a file for writing the C++ code. And if you have seen my previous video on C language for adding two numbers, this .c is the extension for C language. Guys, I have also made a same video of adding two numbers entered by user in Python and C. Kindly go through it. And coming back to this topic, adding two numbers which user gives us in C++ language. First of all, we'll write hash include iOS stream. This is a header file. Now, int main. This is the beginning of any C or C++ code. From here only our program starts. Then this curly braces. Then first of all, we have to declare the integers. For this video, for this code, I am considering the numbers to be a integer type. In C and C++ and others also, there are some data types. Data types are what? Like int, float, char. These tells us what is the type of the variable we are using. So int is a data type for integer type numbers. So I'm considering the numbers which the user will enter are of integer type. Let the numbers be int n1, n2, then a semicolon. Then the function used for printing a statement on the console is cout. And these symbols. Cout, here we'll write enter number 1. And the cout, what is this cout? This is declared, this is a function declared in this iOS stream. But this we can only use if we write here using namespace std. See, this red line which was giving me an error has now gone. And now for receiving the input from the user, this is the cout is also only written for getting or for printing on the console. Now we have to take the number from user. For this we'll use cin function. Cin and this symbol. Be very precise with these symbols. Now cin, what will we take here? Cin will be the number which the user entered, that is n1. That's it. Now, as I've told in the last video, I'm a bit lazy, so let us just copy it and paste it. So modifying it, we have to write enter number 2 and here in n1. Now we need to print the sum of these numbers. So again using cout function, and sum is n1 plus n2. That's it. This is our code. Now Control S for saving this file. Now we'll run it. See, it is asking enter number 1. If it is not so clear, let me just increase the size of phone. Enter number 1 is suppose 10. Enter number 2 is suppose 3, and sum is 30. I hope you can see this very clearly. One thing I want to tell you more is, if you want that this line comes like sum of number 1, which suppose I print 10, so sum of 10 and another number is 3. So I want the statement be like sum of 10 and 3 is 13. For that, we'll use here sum of, closing it, and just giving a space here, of number 1 and just giving some spaces so that it looks nice, n1 and n2 is n1 plus n2. Now let me show you what we have done by running the code. See, it is again, just let me increase the font size and enter number 1, let me 12 and then 9. Sum of 12 and 9 is 21. It looks more beautiful than the previous one, I guess. So now I hope it is clear how to write the code in C++ language to add two numbers given by user. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video.